So friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. In this video, I will share you latest important updates about Dogecoin coin. Its price prediction this year mega bullion because friends, you can see entire crypto market is dumping, but its price is pumped by almost 70% in last 24 hours. In last 7 days, this meme coin is right now 200% pump here. Okay, so this is also a dog theme meme coin in best gen. Okay, this is a base ecosystem meme coin and listed on I think 10 central exchanges already, and right now due to this massive pump here it's also possible that we can see its listing on major central exchanges. And in this year's super cycle meme coins mega bullion, definitely this meme coin has also potential to be the next big meme coin in Dogecoin current price dipping 3 times $0.77, pumped by 72% last 24 hours, 177% last 7 days, 197% pump in last 14 days. So this is amazing performance from this meme coin. $51 million market cap right now. So this is awesome friends. $16.1 million trading volume because few central exchanges have list this coin and no any tier 1 central exchange listing for this meme coin yet. 69 billion coin supply all in circulation. You can see friends base ecosystem meme coin. Okay, you can see base ecosystem dog theme meme coin. So this is good. Right now we are only 57% down than the all time high. There were 12 months ago in March, and coin has already killed 2 zeros since its launching. So this is good. 18,000% pump in last 1 year. So this is good friends. You can see Get.io has already list this coin, MEXC has list this coin, and BYX has list XG.com, CoinX, Bitmart. So Poloniex has also list this coin, CoinX. So good central exchange listing for this coin. And if friends like you see MEXC and Get.io has also list this coin. So that's why I told you that if not join MEXC and Get.io yet, you can join both central exchanges. I already provide you both central exchanges links in description. Okay, where you can buy all newly launched meme coin before listing on major central exchanges. If a website is also looking good, you can see MEXC, CoinX, these central exchanges are mentioned there about this meme coin. You can check out all further details here. So no doubt because it's a meme coin, so website is looking good. 69 billion coin supply developed on base, that is the Ethereum layer 2 token contract. Mutable LP spread, zero buying selling test for this coin, and you can see how to bridge to base because if you have buy this meme coin on dexes, then you have to also copy his contract address that is provided here. 127,000 holders for this coin. So number of holders good on base chain. You can see friends, number one wallet has 5.6% supply, second has 2.7% supply, and those means I think 2% supply is also burned. You can see friends, number third wallet is null wallet and is 2% supply is burned, current worth about $1 million. So this is good, that's 2% supply is also burned. This is some other wallets. Okay, you can see MEX exchange wallet, and these are some other different wallets. They are holding this coin but in very low amount. Okay, just 0.4% and 0.5%. These are the other different wallets. Okay, top 100 wallets, they are holding this coin. Bulldog, Dash, ETH, and different wallets. So no doubt friends, tokens looking good, but because it's still very few central exchanges have list this coin. But friends, in bear market, okay, as BTC and all market is down here, but its price is bumped almost 200% in last 7 days. So this is good performance from this meme coin, but because it's a meme coin, so can be highly risky also. I think if we can see a massive listing, a major central exchange listing soon for this coin, then definitely this coin has also a bright future. Then we can see its market cap in $1 billion in this year mega bullion, because already you can see friends, $51 million market cap. So this is good. So if we see a major listing soon for this meme coin, then definitely it's possible that we can see its market cap in $1 billion in this year's super cycle meme coins mega bullion. What's your price prediction about this meme coin? Are you holding or not? You can must comment down below.